Hi, my name is Victoria Walker. Welcome to Valucop Global. It's always value first. This is how to qualify for the open ocean airdrop. First of all, you should note that the open ocean allows transaction is that it's an aggregator. It's a token aggregator exchange, decentralized exchange. So you can trade on Ethereum, you can trade on BSC, and you can trade on Ontology. Now, but in this scenario now, you can do it on both. You can do swaps. What qualifies you for the airdrop is to do swaps for on these blockchains. But right now, Ethereum gas fees are like really high, so you can go for the BSC swap. So first thing first to do is to go to the app section below your screen. You click on it, then you type in your OpenOcean.finance in the app browser. Then it will load up. If you look at right now it's in Ethereum. Like at this top part you're seeing Ethereum. This is where you can change the networks from one network to the other. So I'll click on the Ethereum and then go to Smart Chain. Now this is Smart Chain network built on Binance. Smart Chain network. So now a different view. There's Go Pro and there's Go Classic. So just go to Go Classic. Go Classic. You can see that the supported chains for the Open Ocean supports Ethereum chains, Binance Smart Chain, Ontology Smart Chain, and Tron. And these other ones are coming later. And these are where it get list of tokens from. Decentralized and both are centralized too. So this is a full exchange, a full aggregation protocol. So let us use Go Classic. Before you do this on Binance Smart Chain, you should have BNB in your Trust wallet. So not just BNB from your Smart Chain, like not just normal BNB that you sent through BEP20 network on your Binance to your Trust wallet. So you must have Smart Chain BNB. So you go to Go Classic, click on Go Classic. Now you see the swap. So you can try to do as many swaps as possible. You can do swap, maybe buy cake with BNB, then sell back to BNB again and all. Like take for example now, you come to this two black signs. You come to this paper that is written BNB. You're saying you want to swap from BNB to a coin. So let us say you click on it. Now these are the list of coins that you can swap. It's a list of coins you can swap. So let's just say you want to swap burger, for example. I have BNB. It's BNB that I have, and I want to swap it for BDO or burger. Then I'll now put the quantity of BNB I want to use to swap. Let me just say, for example, 0.1 BNB. This quantity of burger 0.1 BNB can buy. So I click on swap now. So in the advanced setting, you can click slippage. Look at different liquidity sources. The liquidity is coming from for this exchange. So you click on swap now. We swap from BNB to burger, and then you can swap back burger to BNB. Like because you have to do like several transactions or several transactions. This is just to increase the chances of getting the Open Ocean token when they do their airdrop by the end of Q1. Q1 will be ending by ending of March. So just say ending of March, beginning of April, we should be expecting their airdrop and all this. You can join their You can check them out on Twitter, so you can join their Telegram community from there, and you'll be getting the announcement and updates on this airdrop. So this is simply how to do this. So here's where you then get so like exchanges done. These are like exchanges done, like transactions you've done and all that. So it's very simple. So like I said before, all you have to do is fund your wallet with Smart Chain BNB, fund it with Smart Chain BNB, then you deposit on your Trust wallet. Deposit on Trust wallet, then you go to the app, go to the app browser, and you type in open ocean.finance, and you go to make sure that the network is on Smart Chain, not Ethereum. Then you go to Go Classic. Then go to Go Classic. Then you go to from to, so you're swapping from BNB to a coin. So you select the quantity of BNB you want to swap, 0. anything, 0.2, 1 BNB, whatever. Then you select a token you want to swap it to. Then you select it, and then you now click swap. You click swap, when it just take a little bit of gas fee from your BNB, and then your transactions that you've executed will show below. So this is simply how to prepare yourself to qualify for the open ocean airdrop coming in Q1 2021, by the end of Q1 2021. So if you have any questions, don't forget to like this video,